Illegally detained senior leader of the All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Shabbir Shah, has urged the Kashmiris to observe the Indian Republic Day, January 26, as a Black Day to convey the message to the world that India's continued denial to the right of self-determination to them is contrary to its claims of being a democratic country. According to Kashmir Media Service, Shabbir Shah, in his message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, said India's unlawful and forcible occupation of Jammu and Kashmir is unacceptable to the Kashmiris. India's Republic Day, the 26th January, has brought more miseries to the oppressed people of occupied Kashmir as the Indian troops have intensified the checking and frisking in Srinagar and other parts of the territory in the name of so-called security measures. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Indian Army, paramilitary and the police personnel have been deployed in strength around the two stadiums in Jammu and Srinagar cities, the main venues of the Republic Day functions in Jammu region and the Kashmir Valley. People of occupied Kashmir, through posters appearing in different areas, have been urged to observe the Indian Republic Day on 26 January, Friday, as a Black Day and boycott all the Indian official celebrations to be held in this regard. According to Kashmir Media Service, the posters displayed by the All-Party Hurriyat Conference and various other pro-freedom organizations said that India has no legal or moral justification to celebrate its Republic Day in Jammu and Kashmir. Heavy deployment of the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir is badly affecting the students' education. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day of Education today said India is denying all fundamental freedom, including the right to education, to the people of occupied Kashmir. With the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's muscular Hindutva politics reaching its peak as he inaugurated the Ram Temple on the site of the demolished Babri Masjid, a prominent Indian journalist has said that the message on the controversial event is the Indian Muslim is not an Indian and does not belong here. According to Kashmir Media Service, Ziaul Salam, an associate editor at The Hindu, wrote, "To be a Muslim in an increasingly militant Hindu India is to feel alienated and dejected."